As Director of Digital Infrastructure and Technologies at Rentschler Biopharma, me and my team are responsible for the design and operations of the global infrastructure. That means global networks, global data centers, cloud systems, and cybersecurity operations. Additionally, I'm responsible for the global service desk. Rentschler Biopharma is a leading contract development and manufacturing organization focused exclusively on client projects. We offer process development and manufacturing of biopharmaceuticals, and additionally we offer consulting services and project management and the regulatory support of these projects. Rentschler Biopharma is a family-owned company with about 1,400 employees, with the headquarters in Laupheim in Germany. In a highly regulated environment, it's very important to ensure a high operational security and availability. We had to implement high performance, high available network together with state-of-the-art security. Additionally, we wanted to have a high standardization between the departments and between the sites all over the world. It was important because we have to operate the networks with a small team globally. Especially the identical technologies regarding IT and OT systems put us in a complete different situation. We've done 2 projects with Extreme Networks where my colleagues Martin and Thomas were responsible for.
As the project leader, the main challenge was to replace the whole infrastructure from a heterogeneous into a homogeneous environment. We are troubleshooting our monitoring, a seamless integration in our firewall landscape to prevent hidden traffic. State-of-the-art network access control tool allows us to have an improved network performance and scalability and flexibility. Just to name some key figures, we migrated around 75 switches, including core switches, distribution switches, access layer switches, 250 access points, and we migrated 1,500 connections of clients to make sure everything is working smoothly. We are currently working on onboarding our Milford site, which allows us to expand the network concept and all the security and scalability to additional sites. Employees expect high-speed internet and access to the intranet without having any delays to perform several tasks like video conferencing, file uploads, file downloads, and of course security. Another important thing is that we have a stable and secure Wi-Fi globally. For us as an IT team, makes this life easier to be able to central manage all the connections and requests from employees and guests.
My key responsibilities are managing and developing the IT-based infrastructure services for all our global manufacturing sites. This includes ensuring a smooth operation of our network, server clusters, and the associated central Windows services. For me, it was exciting to have the opportunity to lead this project. One of the key challenges we had in this project was to consolidate the multi-vendor network, which had grown over the past years. We also had to transform the very fragmented network architecture to a more secure, scalable, and flexible architecture. We went down from 210 pieces of hardware to just 36, which was a huge reduction. So milliseconds are key in manufacturing networks. So we had to find a solution with a highly resilient and flexible network. We found the answer to our requirements in the Extreme Fabric technology. This technology provides a straightforward implementation approach and flexible topology options. Fabric allows us to achieve nearly no downtimes in case of link outages, which can occur during maintenance periods or link failures. Securing a manufacturing network can be quite challenging due to the sensitive OT devices and business-critical processes running on this network. We can now passively monitor all the traffic in our manufacturing network, detect cybersecurity threats, and perform a comprehensive OT asset visibility. All this without disrupting or affecting any process running on the manufacturing network. Skaltel, our implementation partner, also played an essential role during the project.
I am a senior account manager at Skaltel and have been working at Skaltel's headquarters in Waltenhofen in the Allgäu region since 2005. Skaltel ensures the stable, secure, readily available operation of IT infrastructures. The basis of all business processes is the network. Wi-Fi and data center infrastructure. Security also plays a very important role. With our Security Operations Center and Network Operations Center, we support our customers in their daily business with their challenges. Mr. Steinhalber then approached me and talked about the changes and challenges at Rentschler, where the IT infrastructure had to be adapted. Our approach is a so-called 300-degree IT check. This involves analyzing the current status of the customer and recording their requirements and challenges. Our IT consultants then use these findings and our experience to develop customized concepts, which are discussed with the customer. The final concept is then implemented by our project technicians on-site. When developing new concepts for network infrastructure, the solution from Extreme Networks Fabric architecture proved to be the best. In my opinion, this overall technical solution, paired with the SCALTEL service solution, were the success factors.
I'm really proud of what we have achieved with only 3 employees, including 2 colleagues and myself. We were able to almost invisibly change the complete network hardware on the campus so that the user barely noticeable that. So that is the most important thing for me.
If you look at the results of the both projects, the decision to go to Extreme Networks technology was absolutely the right decision.